Assalamualaikum children. How are you today? I hope you are doing fine and happy with your family. Okay, actually today teacher have one activity for you. But before that, can we sing first? Do you want to sing with me? Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor says, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor says, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor says, no more monkey jumping on the bed. As I told you just now, today we have one activity to do, right? This activity is very good for your motor skills. Okay, one of the activities that is good for your motor skill. Okay, and for this activity also you can express your creativity. What is the activity? Okay, I'll tell you later. You must be wondering, right? What is the activity? Actually, today teacher want to teach you to do painting using the lady's finger. Okay, what do you need for this activity? Painting, right? Of course, you need the watercolor. And just now I said lady's finger, right? Of course you need the lady's finger. Lady's finger is bendy. This is bendy. Okay. You need to cut the bendy like this. This one I cut like this. Okay. Ask your mother or your father to help you. Okay. Of course the water. Marker pen. Paper and where is my scissors? And scissors, okay. And of course, this palette and brush. Maybe you need the brush later, okay? So you just prepare. Alright. Okay. Firstly, you need to take the paper and the marker pen, and you can draw any picture on this paper, okay? You can draw flower, you can draw house, you can draw apple. For me, I want to draw an egg because just now in the morning I ate egg for sahur. So this is egg. You just draw egg. It's over, right? So this is egg lah. Okay, this is egg. The shape of the eggs, okay? After you draw, then you need to cut, okay? Cut. Macam ni. You need to cut like this. Okay, cut. Okay lah, cut until finish, okay? Cut. Ta-da! Done, okay? I already cut. Alright? Okay, after you cut the paper, you need to inside the egg, you need to draw the line, okay? For example, this one, I want to make a straight line. So, if straight line, I need the ruler. Take the ruler, make a straight line here, like this. Straight line like this. Okay. Then after the straight line, I want to make the this line like this. Okay, like the mountain, like the hill. Okay, macam bukit tu naik. And then we can do like this also. Okay. Okay, so I have done with my straight line. This is curve. This is zigzag. Okay, this is straight. This is curve, and this is zigzag. Okay, now next step. So take the watercolor. Ta-da! See, ready in the palette. Okay. Now take our lady's finger. Okay, this is lady's finger bendy. So So now I am ready with my work. Okay, now take the brush. Okay, take the colour. I want to start with red like this. Okay. Like this. And you can start to put here. Nice, right? Put here. See? Very nice. Okay. You can change the colour, okay, children? Maybe you can change. Now I want to change to green. To make it colourful. Get green, okay? Put here. Still have colour. Still have more. Okay, you can take orange. This. Okay. Okay, see. Okay. Next, I use yellow. Here. Okay. Go to another one. Change color. Brown. Okay, brown. Put here. Here. Finish. Okay. Okay. Here. Lock. Okay, now I have done. So remember, after you have finished this activity, you need to clean up the mess. Help your parents to clean up the mess, okay? And don't forget to wash your hand, alright? Okay, so hope to see you soon at school. Behave yourself at home and always remember, stay at home. Bye-bye.